1 1
Wet thing should
1
not work. How much
1
paper do you think it takes
2
to make this
1
float? Okay, watch closely.
2
No way, this that
3
actually working. That insane. I will not
5
accept that all. Do you
1
guess it right? Follow for
2
more crazy experiment every day.
3
Don't blink.
5
There's no way paper can make this
10
float right. Alright, let's test it.
30
Wait,
1
Is it
2
actually floating? That's
3
crazy. I did not see that
5
coming. Do you
10
subscribe for more insane
30
experiment?
70
Do you think
200
this will work? Comment
500
yes or no.
1000
Guess, please guess.
1 1 1
Guess and comment fast.
2
And
1
this type of video
2 3 1 2
wow,
3 5
more crazy experiments
1
every day.
2 3 5
Oh,
10
wow,
30
very nice experiments.
2
Very nice
3
experiments.
5
Watch
10
the end.
30
Don't blink.
70
Try to guess.
200
Did you accept it?
500
Look closely.
1000
Wait for it.
1 1 1
Can paper really make this
Two.
object float?
1
Try to guess before it happens.
3 5 1
Wow, very
Two.
nice.
3
Very nice.
5
More daily
10.
more daily experiments. Subscribe
30.
now.
1 2 3
More coming soon.
5 10 30 70 200
Wow, this one
500
very crazy. I
1000
like. And you like? Comment fast.
1 1 2
Daily experiment video
1
I provided to you and
Two.
guess challenge version.
3 5 1 2 3
Very
5
crazy experiments.
10
That way. That is
30.
insane.
1 2
Wow.
3 5
Oh, that is very
10.
nice.
30
This one more experiments.
70
How many
200
Very tissue paper, but this not float into the water and
500 1 1 1 2 1
last one may be very crazy.
2
So don't blink.
3
Watch carefully and
5
last.
1
I am
Two.
also waiting
3
for them.
5
And I accepted to you that
10
you will be also
30
waiting for the end.
1 2
So
3
now coming soon in the
5
sometime after
10
I like Chinese.
30, 70, 200, 500, 1,000.